past, I'd say probably 6 or 7 years, of every house that we've done, if there's wood on the outside, it's thermally modified. It's a modified wood product. In talking to Melissa about choices for here, I think originally we talked about, because so much of the house was cedar and the old lap siding that was on the house was cedar, we're like, well, we could, do cedar, but that's gonna create maintenance. Cedar at that time was kind of through the roof, price-wise. And I said, well, I've got these samples from Kebony. We're impressed with how the product looked and how it installed. And she saw pictures of that and some of the samples that I had and thought it would be a good fit. It just seems like an amazing product. The ability to put something on and that nobody has to do anything to. If they're fine with letting nature take its course and silvering and some weathering, not only can they leave it be, it'll actually continue to perform. It's not degrading. And we've had really good luck with that, and customers have seemed happy with it. The stability within the product too, for working with, you put something up and you know that when you come back in after a full season of Minnesota winter and summer, that it's going to look just as good as the day you put it up. That's a big part of it. I actually think in the rustic in particular from Kebony, that the aging process and letting it start to weather and silver just makes it even more beautiful than when we get it off the truck.